Welcome back to Steel City Drones. Today, I have a nice announcement for those of you who have been waiting for on-site mapping training at an affordable price. So, we are adding 4 separate training events over the spring and the summer and early fall that you're going to be able to take advantage of. We are having these workshops. They are going to be 2-day and or 4-day workshops. I put together a really special program that will be something for everybody, regardless of your use case or application. So there's a lot of different use cases that some people aren't even aware that drone mapping can be used for, such as pet rescue, surveillance, and security, accident reconstruction, 3D models, as well as survey-grade applications. So our training consists of 4 days, but some of the applications and use cases will be more appropriate just for 2 days of training. And I'll explain how this goes. So everything that we're going to build up as far as the basics and fundamentals will be covered in the first 2 days. That will fit all the different use cases. And then the last 2 days will be specifically dedicated to those that want to get into more of the survey-grade applications, where we're going to get very technical. We're going to get into PPK processing and RTK and ground control points and checkpoints and validation. So it's a well-balanced course, and it's something for everybody regardless of your background or what you're using drones for. Let's say you're just starting out and you don't even have your own equipment. We have plenty of equipment here to use. We have a Matrice 4 Enterprise as well as a Matrice 400 Enterprise that you could use to actually conduct all of the different exercises we're going to be going out for. And then if you decide that you want to go ahead and really step up your game and then purchase equipment later, you'll be able to do so. And if you have your own drone, you're going to want to bring your drone and use that for the specific exercises. Now, in addition to what you're going to get on the 4 days here, anybody who participates in either 2 days or 4 days is going to get that specific certificate of training. Then you'll also be able to have unlimited free access to our online course, which is a value of $350 by itself. So overall, you're getting a very big value for what you're going to learn, and it's going to be a very comprehensive course, and we're going to take things one step at a time. So with that said, if you're interested in joining, let us know. You'll see on the website there is a space there where you'll be able to go ahead and fill out a form and be able to get your place in line. So if you have any questions, please put them down in the comments section below or reach out to us. Thanks again for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. What that means is, for those of you who just want to know more about mapping, how to be able to use it with your drone, and have a use case that's not necessarily for survey grade accuracy or, say, survey grade work, that would be a 2-day course. Those of you who want to be able to do the survey grade work will stay for another 2 days, for a total of 4 days. So we are doing this training on site at our office location, and we are doing them for the months of May, June, August, and September. So that gives you plenty of time to be able to prepare. We have a hotel right across from our office that you can stay at, or there's lots of other hotels around here. Again, we are in Pittsburgh, and we're going to be able to work around weather if we have to. You know, we have lots of theory and classroom stuff as well as the flying stuff, and everybody is going to get a chance where they can fly. If they want to bring their own drone, you can bring your own drone. If you want and don't even have a drone yet, we have lots of different drones that you can use. Each of you will be able to plan your own missions, enter them into the flight app, go out and fly the mission, collect the data, and then if you want to be able to get more onto the validation part of it, we'll be able to put down check control points and do the entire thing. We're also going to go on the advanced part. We're going to be going into Pix4D and also DJI Terra. And we'll also have the Autel Mapper available as well. We have a lot of different programs that we can use, and we'll kind of customize them as much as we can depending upon who's in the class and what they need. So the cost is going to be $500 per day, and you can stay as many days as you want. So you're not going to find anything more affordable for a high-end, professional, comprehensive mapping course, one-on-one, and it's one-on-one with me here at our office, and we'll go over all of the basics, the fundamentals, and the advanced techniques that you need. We'll be also, besides this, the survey grade work and applications, we're going to be talking about, say, search and rescue, pet rescue, security and surveillance, and inspection type of applications. There's a lot of things that we can use for mapping applications other than just survey grade mapping.